for those who live life to the fullest. Quality nutrition is key to success. But oftentimes, finding the proper fuel to sustain peak performance can be challenging. Compromise no more with the Keto Brick. The Keto Brick is a high-calorie, high-energy complete meal. Take the guesswork out of optimizing your diet. Start living your life.
I'm Robert Sykes, and this is my wife Crystal, and we are the owners and founders of Keto Brick. I've been bodybuilding now since, I was a junior in high school. I was 115 pounds when I started. I was struggling with eating disorders, and then I stumbled upon the ketogenic diet by accident. But once I implemented that, the rest was history. I felt better, I performed better. I earned my pro card in 2017, all while following a ketogenic diet, and then we've since built a company around it.
Robert Orion Sykes!
So I started keto a little bit after Robert. I actually started my keto journey simply because I was working on my health. I had a lot of health issues, and I've kind of used that to turn my life around. I also started bodybuilding and competed and won my first ever figure bodybuilding competition.
I was really looking for a way to simplify all of my macronutrient needs and just streamline the process of meal prep so I can have an efficient source of nutrition that I can grab and use on the go and just take the guesswork out of dieting in general. So Crystal and I started formulating this product. It had several first generations that didn't really turn out too well. We finally landed on something that worked. It was never intended to be a product. It was just something that I had incorporated into my 2017 competition prep to make the diet and lifestyle more sustainable. But lo and behold, there was a lot of demand for it, and we decided to roll up our sleeves and get into the food production business.
We originally made it for athletes in mind since we are athletes ourselves, but it turns out so many people from so many different backgrounds can use it and benefit from using it as a meal replacement bar.
So the Keto Brick is very different than other meal replacement bars out there. First of all, it's 1,000 calories. There's not any other 1,000-calorie meal replacement bars out there. And it's got perfect ketogenic macronutrients. So the ratios are built around the ketogenic diet, so it's not a high protein bar, it's not a high carb bar, it's a high dietary fat bar. The fat that we use is largely based out of stearic acid, which is a very high quality, easily absorbed source of dietary fat. So it's a very high quality product in that regard. The ingredients are all top notch. The reason we've kept the production in-house from day one is that we have complete oversight over all the quality of the ingredients. We don't use a co-pack, we don't outsource it. We've kept it in-house to maintain our integrity and continue to craft a product that we're proud of.
So we make sure to use the highest quality of ingredients. We have two different types of protein options. One has a veggie-based protein, and the other one is a 100% grass-fed whey protein concentrate. We also use cacao butter in all of our bricks, MCT oil. There's a little bit of different ingredients in each brick, but we always make sure to try to go with organic, naturally made.
We're excited to have you all as part of this journey because this is such an organic grassroots movement, and we're built on the foundation of the people that support it. You are our oxygen, so to be able to bring you behind the scenes and show you how they're made and show you why we eat them and consume them. We're just excited to have you all as part of the journey.
So Keto Brick is part of the greater umbrella of what we stand for as a business. We have several other business entities, and we do the YouTube videos, we have a podcast, there's a Lady Savage line, a Keto Savage line. There's a ton of different things that we try to do as a company as a whole. We are not just a meal replacement bar, we are a company, a family. So to find Keto Brick, you can go to ketobrick.com. We are also on Instagram and Facebook just under Keto Brick.